A very warm welcome to Tech Mining. In this video you will learn about the new Smart Filters region, which is added to Apex 21.2. It is a new search component that provides end users with numerous filters to narrow search results at runtime. Developers can use this component to provide users with a simplified search experience using custom filters that eliminates clutter and provides a single control to instantly find the information they are looking for. Smart Filters features a powerful new search bar that provides built-in autocomplete for your filters. Search suggestions are at the heart of Smart Filters. These suggestions are based on the filters you have defined and are displayed as you type. Searching for multiple terms is also supported. The Smart Filters region also contains suggestion chips below the search bar. Filters are evaluated against your data and displayed below the search bar as chips, suggesting the top search filters most appropriate for your data set. Looking at these chips you can tell right away which is the topmost job and which department has more employees. For example, in the current scenario, the first chip labeled job is displaying manager as the top search filter, because this job has more number of records than others. Similarly, department number 20 appears in the second chip as it has 5 employees that are more than any other department. If you click on the chip label you'll see a list of other values for that filter. You can make multiple selections in this list. When you make selections the chips are immediately updated to reflect the corresponding data. The Smart Filters feature also expands its search in multiple columns. What this means is that when you type something in the search bar, the Smart Filter searches for this value in all the columns. For example, if you type CL in the search box and hit enter, you will see the clerk job and an employee named Clark. Now enter 20 in the search bar, and select the suggested filter. The report will be filtered automatically to display the filtered record. Clear all the filters using the cross icon. Now that you have seen the functionality of the Smart Filters, let's move ahead and learn how these filters are implemented. Create a new blank page. Add a simple classic report region to the new page and populate it with records from the EMP table. Add another region and place it above the classic report region. This region will hold the Smart Filters. Enter a title for this region and set its type to Smart Filters. Set filtered region attribute to the classic employee report region to associate the report region with the Smart Filter region. Right-click the Filters node, and select Create Filter from the context menu. Set the name of this filter to Job and its type to Checkbox Group. The checkbox group type displays multiple values as checkboxes, enabling the end user to select multiple values. A list of values is required for items displayed as checkboxes. For list of values type, select distinct values. By selecting this option, the list of values will be based on an automatically generated query that will select the distinct values from the job column. Make sure that the job column is selected for database column. Create another filter for department number column. The maximum suggestion chips attribute can be used to specify the maximum number of suggestion chips to be displayed. If not specified, a default of 5 will be used. To eliminate display of chips, enter a numeric 0 for this attribute. Save and run the page and play around with these filters as demonstrated earlier in this video. That's it. Hope this video was informative. If you liked it, then please give it a thumb up and also subscribe to Tech Mining to get more informative videos like this. Thank you for watching.